Hello everyone, I'm Van and welcome to Duskov's Garage. Now I'm currently at Suncoast Porsche dealership and I'm about to show you one of the most exciting, coolest cars out there. This is an exclusive 2019 911 GT3 RS. Now for all you number fans, this car has a flat 6 natural aspirated 4-liter engine. It produces 520 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. Now I know what you're thinking, Ven, that's not a lot of horsepower for these days, 520? Well, listen to this then. It does 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds and it laps the Nürburgring in less than 7 minutes. This monster laps the Nürburgring in 6 minutes and 56.4 seconds. Now that's faster than the Porsche's hypercar 918 Spider. And that car cost over $1 million. It even passed the Lamborghini Aventador LP750.4 Super Veloce. Now just listen to that name. Also the Mercedes-Benz AMG GTR Pro and the Ferrari 488 GTB and many more supercars and hypercars. This car has an exclusive $18,000 Weissach package, which has the carbon fiber hood, the carbon fiber roof and spoiler, and it has the magnesium wheels. Now we're going to talk about the wheels a little bit later. This package decreases so much of the extra weight on this car. Porsche has went so far to decrease the weight on this car that they even replaced the front logo with a sticker. Porsche even replaced the regular door handles with these straps to decrease the weight even more. Now let's take a look at these hood vents. The air is actually used to cool down the brake system on this car. This car has a 6-piston 16.1-inch rotors in the front and a 4-piston 15.4-inch rotors. Take a look at this huge carbon fiber spoiler. Now I gotta remind you guys, this is all on a stock car. This is the way it comes from the factory. Take a look at these beautiful, stunning, lightweight rims. They come with the Weissach package. And look at the Formula 1 racing bolt. It's actually here to decrease the weight compared to the standard 5-bolt pattern. By the way, look at the size of these tires. 265 20-inch in the front and 3 25 21-inch rims in the back. at these fender vents. They're actually here for a purpose, not just for looks. At high speeds, they release air so it won't create lift. Otherwise, it would lose the effect of downforce. Now take a look at this beautiful Alcantara steering wheel with this lizard green marker at 12 o'clock. It's one of the most beautiful steering wheels out there. But the best part, this steering wheel is just perfect for driving. Unlike the Lamborghini or Ferrari, it doesn't have a bunch of buttons on it. It's just perfect for driving. You got your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And also, this titanium exhaust is going to be music to your ears every day you drive this car. Unlike its competitors, the McLaren 570s, the Lamborghini Huracan, the Audi R8 V10 Plus, with Porsche's reliability, you can drive this car every day and push it hard as long as you get your services done on time. This is one of the best cars out there today. If you're interested in purchasing this car, I have all the information of the sales department below, so call them and have a chat with them. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe to my channel. I have a lot more videos coming up soon.